Hello students, welcome to music class. Today we'll discuss about the midterm examination and after that the definition of some musical words. You know that we are conducting the music examination 2 times in a year, midterm and annual. So this time we'll conduct the midterm examination. We'll discuss about that examination. I think month of September it will be held, and third week, most probably third week, we'll fix the date for the music examination. This time no practical exam will be conducted, only theory and MCQ type questions. Options will be there, total marks 40, and it will be conducted in Google form. So you will get the syllabus soon. You can prepare yourself. Now I'll discuss about the definition of the musical words. Arohan. Arohan is the upward movement or ascending order of notes in a raga. The notes are going to upper pitch from lower pitch gradually in a scale in a raga. Then it is called Arohan. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa re ga ma pa. These are the Arohan. The notes are going upper pitch from lower pitch. Next, Avrohan. Avrohan is the downward movement or descending order of notes in a scale in a raga. The notes are coming from upper pitch to lower pitch. Sani dhapa magaresa, nidha pamagaresa, dhapa magaresa, pamagaresa, magaresa, garesa, like that. Next, we'll learn Badi. Badi Shor is the most strongly emphasized note in a raga. It is used more than the other shors in a raga. Badi Shor is very important shor in a rag, and it is used more and more time. Sambadi Shor. Sambadi Shor is a note which is strong but slightly less strong than the Badi Shor in a raga. Sambadi also important but less important than the Badi Shor. Shor. Shor or Shur are the 7 notes of the Hindustani classical musical scale. Hindustani classical music scale. Shuddha Shor are 7. They are Sarigama Padhani. Among these, Sa and Pa are fixed notes. These are called Achal Shor. Vikrita shorts, there are 5 Vikrita shorts in a scale: Re, Ga, Dha, Ni, and Ma. So Re, Ga, Dha, Ni are Komal Shor and Ma Tibra Shor. Ma, Tibra or Kori. Regadhani also Shuddha Swar. But when we'll tell Regadhani Komal Swar, that time we have to put the sign under the swar. You know how we can denote the scale, denote the swar. Re, ga, dhani. These four notes are Komal and Ma, Tibra. So today, up to this, we learn about the definition of the musical words Arohan, Avarohan, Badi, Sambadi and Swar. So if I'll ask how many swars are there in a scale, what will be the answer? The total number of swar in a scale is 12. 7 Shuddha Swar and 5 Vikrita Swar. So total number of notes in a scale, that is 12. If we'll ask that how many Shuddha Swar, Shuddha notes are there in a scale, then answer is 7. How many Komal notes are there in a scale? Answer is 4. Regadhani. How many Tibra or Kori Swar is there? The answer is 1. Ma. Ma, Tibra. So we'll read it and from there question will be asked. So prepare yourself. Okay. Bye everybody.